Today, we will explore the incredible benefits of a 30-minute morning walk. From boosting your brain and heart health to reducing blood sugar levels, we will discover the power of this simple yet profound activity. Number 1. Boosting kidneys' health. When we walk for 30 minutes, the structure of the blood vessels changes. Their walls become stronger, more flexible, and their lumen, the area within the vessel, increases in size. This enables them to handle blood pressure more effectively, protecting the kidneys from damage associated with hypertension. Wider blood vessel lumens increase blood flow to the kidneys, improving nutrient and oxygen delivery while speeding up waste removal, including creatinine, salts, urea, and uric acid, which reduces the risk of kidney stones. Enhancing digestion. Walking in the morning on an empty stomach stimulates peristalsis, the muscular contraction and relaxation of the intestines that helps move food through the digestive system. This can help prevent common issues like constipation, bloating, and gas, and also improve the absorption of nutrients from food. Walking also stimulates the release of hormones that help regulate digestion, including gastrin, which stimulates stomach acid production, secretin, which stimulates pancreatic enzyme production, and cholecystokinin, which stimulates bile release from the gallbladder, all of which work together to promote a healthy and efficient digestive process. Increased energy levels. As you walk regularly, your muscles demand more energy, prompting cells to build new mitochondria, the mini powerhouses responsible for energy production. With each step, walking also enhances the delivery of essential nutrients and oxygen to these powerhouses. As a result, your cells become more efficient at producing energy, leaving you feeling energized and refreshed. Improved bone density. The stress from walking triggers your body to send bone-building cells called osteoblasts to those areas. This process helps maintain and even increase bone density over time, particularly in the hips, spine, and legs. Improves brain function and neuroprotection. Walking increases brain blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients that fuel neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells. This increases gray matter in areas like the hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, and temporal lobes, leading to improved memory, attention, and language skills. As we age, our brains naturally shrink. Regular walking can help counteract this age-related shrinkage, preserving brain volume and cognitive function. Improved sleep quality. High body temperature can cause physical discomfort, sweating, and restlessness, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Walking can increase heat loss through convection, radiation, and conduction, helping to cool the body and regulate its temperature. This regulated body temperature is important for inducing slow-wave brain activity, which is crucial for deep sleep. Morning exposure to natural sunlight, when the sun's rays are not harmful, helps regulate melatonin production, which is essential for a healthy sleep and wake cycle. Enhanced reproductive health. Walking can stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to the genitals, which is crucial for maintaining an erection. Walking can engage the pelvic floor muscles. Stronger pelvic floor muscles can lead to improved erectile function, increased orgasmic intensity, and reduced risk of incontinence and prolapse. Studies have shown that regular walking can lower the risk of developing prostate cancer by 20%, as well as slow down its progression. According to the Journal of Psychosomatic Research, regular walking can reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety by 40 to 50% in just a few weeks. Chronic stress and anxiety can disrupt testosterone and cortisol levels, leading to decreased libido. Stress and anxiety can also affect neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, which play a crucial role in desire and arousal. In women, regulated hormonal balance and improved blood flow from walking are essential for maintaining healthy vaginal tissues and natural lubrication. Unhealthy vaginal tissues and dry vagina can lead to painful intercourse, vaginal itching, stinging, increased risk of urinary tract infections, inflammation of the vaginal walls, urgency or sudden need to urinate, and vaginal bleeding or spotting. Enhanced immune function. Walking can activate natural killer cells, which are a type of white blood cell that destroys infected cells and tumor cells by increasing blood flow and circulation, enabling them to efficiently reach areas of the body where they are needed to protect us from infections, diseases, and cancer. Reduced inflammation. Walking increases blood flow to the muscles, which helps to flush out pro-inflammatory cytokines, particularly those that come from infection, tissue damage, and autoimmune disorders. Walking stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers that also have anti-inflammatory effects. Walking helps with weight control, as excess fat in fat cells leads to inflammation in surrounding tissue, causing chronic inflammation that contributes to many obesity-related diseases. Diabetes control and management. Walking increases the uptake of glucose by muscles to fuel contractions and energy production, while also depleting muscle glycogen stores. This triggers the uptake of glucose from the bloodstream to replenish energy stores. Walking enhances mitochondrial function and density. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of cells, converting glucose and oxygen into ATP, the primary energy source for cellular processes. Enhanced mitochondrial function is crucial for insulin sensitivity and efficient glucose uptake. Boost heart health. During walking, muscle contractions stimulate the release of lipase, an enzyme that helps break down triglycerides, reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol. Regular walking can decrease bad cholesterol by 2 to 5% and triglycerides by 1 to 2% in just 30 days. Walking releases vascular endothelial growth factor, which promotes collateral vessel formation, improving circulation to the brain and heart. Studies suggest that individuals who walk regularly are 30% less likely to develop heart disease, heart failure, and stroke. To get all these benefits of walking, be sure to choose a scenic path that motivates you. Aim for morning walks to get a healthy boost of vitamin D. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout your walk. Stand tall with shoulders back and core engaged for better balance and efficiency. Swing your arms naturally at your sides with a slight bend at the elbows for added momentum. Aim for a moderate intensity walk where you can talk conversationally, but breathing is slightly labored. This is typically around 3 to 4 miles per hour. Aim for at least 30-minute walk and at least 5 mornings a week.